This creep is looking at life in prison if convicted. Honestly, we think he should be under the prison. We're sure there are more victims out there. Where was this girl's parents?
It's chilling to imagine what's alleged to have happened in Bentonville. According to authorities, Wade Lawrence Green, 43, has been arrested on an array of grave charges: rape, second-degree sexual assault, sexual extortion, and concealing a birth. Investigators say that the abuse started back in 2020 when a child no older than 10 or 11 was living in his home. Over time, that abuse allegedly escalated. The victim became pregnant, and Green allegedly tried to force a violent, at-home abortion. He's accused of repeatedly punching her in the stomach and even inserting a metal rod. In March of 2023, the girl reportedly gave birth alone in her bathroom. She lost consciousness, and when she came to, she never saw the baby. She believes the infant was stillborn. According to her, Green later came home, bagged the newborn's body, and threw it away. She also says she never went to a hospital for help, neither when she was pregnant, nor after giving birth. But the horror didn't end there. The victim told authorities that the abuse continued even after she gave birth. And on top of that, she claims Green threatened her. He allegedly said he would release videos of him raping her if she ever told anyone. Adding yet another layer, Green reportedly told people he was a former Marine and even claimed to have served in Special Forces. He allegedly said he was capable of killing someone and concealing his own guilt. Law enforcement describes the case as very active and warns there may be multiple child victims.
Green is facing a second rape charge in a separate case, and tonight we have new details about that investigation. Now, Wade is facing another rape charge in a separate case. According to a probable cause report, the second alleged victim met with investigators last week to talk about the initial case involving the underage girl. But during the talk, she detailed various crimes that Green had done against her. She said Green raped her several times, including while she was on medication for sleep. And we spoke with the chief prosecuting attorney in Benton County, Joshua Robinson, last week about this case.
This is it's a really disturbing case. Wade Green was arrested November the 10th for rape, concealing birth, sexual extortion, and sexual assault with two minor victims.
For now, Green is being held in Benton County Jail on a $500,000 bond, and his first court appearance is set for December 22nd. Prosecutors are calling this case uniquely disturbing. The layers of physical and psychological harm from long-term grooming, forced abuse, threats, and coercion make it especially troubling. They say if convicted, Green could face life in prison.
We have many questions, like why was there a girl staying with Green? Who was she to him? Where are her parents? Did she go to school? Was she no longer attending classes? Teachers and staff are mandated reporters, so did nothing seem off about this girl? Surely there were signs or a shift in behavior or something that indicated something was off. What about neighbors? We just can't imagine that there was no one that saw anything. What do you think happened for this case to turn out the way that it did? What punishment do you think Green should receive? Let us know in the comments below. Stay vigilant, stay safe, and we'll see you next time.